A cybercrime ring in Bihar has uncovered a new way to steal money from bank accounts without requiring OTPs or phone calls. Hackers exploited Aadhaar biometric data, specifically the fingerprints, obtained from government land records to conduct unauthorized transactions using the Aadhaar enabled payment system, that is AEPS. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. In Purnia district in Bihar, cybercriminals accessed land documents dated June 25th of 2024, extracting Aadhaar details and fingerprints. They then cloned the thumb impressions to impersonate victims and withdraw money via Aadhaar-enabled payment system, that is AEPS, which does not require OTP authentication. The Bihar police arrested 8 individuals linked to the scam and are actively investigating others involved. While AEPS is designed to facilitate transactions in areas with poor internet connectivity, its reliance on biometric authentication makes it vulnerable to misuse. Cybercriminals can replicate fingerprints, allowing them to commit fraud without the victim's knowledge. To prevent AEPS fraud, Aadhaar users should conceal their Aadhaar number, use a virtual ID for transactions, and ensure their mobile number and email receives alerts. Victims should report incidents to the National Cybercrime Reporting Portal. Simultaneously, another cybercrime is emerging where criminals send fake banking links via messages. These links, disguised as legitimate bank alerts, trick victims into clicking them, leading to instant fund withdrawals without OTP verification. Scammers obtain personal data from sources like online registrations and e-commerce platforms. They use this information to craft deceptive messages about recent purchases or transactions. Once a victim clicks the link, their bank account is compromised. With cyber frauds evolving rapidly, users must stay vigilant, avoid clicking on unsolicited links, and verify transactions directly via official banking apps or websites. Let's look into today's headlines. Starlink India faced with stringent entry conditions. As Starlink moves towards obtaining a satellite communications license in India, the government has made stringent terms with the Elon Musk company. The terms, primarily security and regulation specific to the country, include setting up a local control center and permitting call interception centers. The government says that Starlink must establish a control center in India to facilitate the immediate suspension or shutdown of its communication services in sensitive areas whenever necessary to maintain law and order. Tech Data Capital to launch in India. Tech Data India has announced the launch of Tech Data Capital in India, offering flexible financing solutions powered by selected financial institutions exclusively to its partners and end customers. With successful launches in Singapore, Australia, and New Zealand in May 2024, Tech Data Capital has already supported partners across multiple sectors, closing more than 20 deals sized in the range of $100,000 to over $20 million. Apollo Hospitals to leverage AI to revolutionize healthcare. India's Apollo Hospitals is leveraging artificial intelligence to reduce staff workload by automating tasks such as medical documentation. This shift aims at improving diagnostic accuracy, predicting complications, enhancing robotic surgeries, offering virtual care, and streamlining operations, thus tackling challenges faced by our overworked healthcare professionals. Infosys to settle its data breach case in BPM unit by paying $17.5 million. Infosys will be paying a $17.5 million settlement for a class action lawsuit against one of its business process management, that is BPM units, arising out of a cybersecurity incident in 2023. Some of the data of Infosys' McCamish Systems, a unit of Infosys BPM, was breached between October and November of 2023, leading to the non-availability of certain systems and applications in McCamish. McCamish was brought by Infosys BPM in 2009 and is a platform-based BPO firm. Alibaba unveils new AI-powered Quark app with advanced chatbot. Alibaba Group has unveiled a new version of its AI Assistant mobile app that incorporates its latest in-house model. Seen as a move to help the company keep pace with Chinese artificial intelligence rivals, Alibaba retooled the Quark app to take advantage of its flagship Qwen reasoning model. The new Quark now integrates functions including a chatbot, deep thinking, and task execution into a one-stop app, the company said in a statement. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.